I could tell you that 100 thanks is a new jewelry item, a versatile, modern, and unisex accessory. But then you will ask me, what's so new about it? Let me explain. 100 thanks is born for creating in me the habit of gratitude and checking its results. Then this necklace is an experience, a desire of the soul. It's a movement and a powerful tool of consciousness. It serves to be aware of the power of gratitude. That is, the necklace has different parts. 100 beads that each symbolize a thank you. The 100 thanks. Its uniquely designed charm fulfills the function of being able to be fit anywhere of the necklace, being able to point out where the count of the 100 thanks beads made has been. Another small charm that counts the number of days you have been grateful. The darker part of the necklace that marks the beginning and the lighter part marks the end, making an aesthetic necklace in addition to having a practical and specific function. Giving thanks or practicing gratitude will make your experience the present moment, making your joy increase and attracting all the good you want in your life. 100 thanks will change the energy of your life. It will make you more positive, and this compliment has universal symbology and unites us in the same thought, the one of gratitude. Support our project on Kickstarter. We will thank you 100 times.